Hello everyone, in this video I will be telling you about JD.com, which is a online retailer and it's biggest in the China. So let's see what is this and how we can use it. I am going to introduce it, then login access, how to log in it, then products and how to search or filter something, and then best practices to choose the product, payment method and payment ease of success, or you can say the what payment options we have. Next I will be making video on this topic, which if you want to see then you can find the link in the description. So this is JD.com, and here we can see that it's in Chinese, so you better use the Google Translator to translate it in the English. By default I am not login, so first we can see it has almost everything which you can I think buy from here, and there are many options. Very expensive things actually you can buy from here, and it's very trustable. So let's see how to log in it. So just click here and it will land you to this page, and if you already have the account you just have to scan it. If you don't have the account you have to go for sign up. If you already have the WeChat account or maybe QQ link, then you can also link with that. If you want to use the English site, we can also use the English site, and it's not really good, so let's go back there. So sign up, and here you can enter your number, and maybe you are in America or something, you enter your number and click this option. You have to complete this captcha and they will send you some code. You have to enter that code and then sign it up, and it will land you to the sign in page. So here I am already logged in, so I am going to go for the home page, and so let's search something. Maybe we search here mobile. So mobile is, if you don't know the Chinese, you can translate by Google Translate. So I am going to use the Chinese because I know a little bit. So let's select some options which we want to use. Maybe we go here and we select the multiple. Maybe we Xiaomi, then what other, Huawei. Okay, Xiaomi and Huawei and Motorola, Samsung and Oppo and maybe Nokia. So we select multiple options, and maybe we also select the Apple. Now we have further multiple options. For example, we say the purpose of telling these things, that how we can limit it our or filter our search. So maybe I say that I need which have the Snapdragon 845. Okay, I want to buy the 8 GB, and then I want to buy the maybe 256, and here we go. We have only 2 mobiles with this specifications and they are already out of stock. So let's skip this one, Snapdragon. Okay, other options are already clicked, so maybe I select the battery life, and we sort them with price. So maybe I want to buy between 2000 and 6000. Okay, so 2000 and 6000, here are our options. So mostly Xiaomi. Okay, if you want to maybe lose some product, you can also go back and lose any product if you want to. Then there are further options. I'm not going to go to the detail of these options, because the basic idea I want to tell you that how to shortlist or how to filter the product. So maybe we click any product and see if we want to buy it. So here you can see that they have the shop name. So make sure if you want to buy a product, you try to buy it, especially if you are going to buy an expensive product. So make sure you buy from the official shop, not any shop you find there. It's already, every shop is here is already good, but still I will suggest that if you want to buy something expensive, it's better if you buy from the official shop. So I think phones are expensive, so I'm going to click this one. You can further select these options that maybe you want to see by the reviews or something. So I'm just randomly clicking this one. Okay, so here we see the multiple options. So it gives us the 2 years warranty, and on the different options you can say data recovery, then black technology. I don't know what is the black technology, maybe a poor translation. Then 2-year battery life or whatsoever, so maybe we select this option. Sometimes this don't looks very good, so you go back and there you go. So you can see these are the battery better options. So maybe I say that I want to take this, and further details obviously you can find here. Again, you have to translate it to English. Here you go, every option you have. So you can go back. I think if you buy from Amazon or something like that, you can already search everything, and maybe you are already aware of these details which I am telling you. Anyhow, let's go back and maybe we add it in the cart. So add to shopping cart. Here you go, it's already in the shopping cart. You have another option, maybe you want to change your mind or something. So I am going to my shopping cart. So I already have actually added some products. So let's try to buy something. For example, if I want to buy this maybe this one. Okay, this have options like this is the option for coupons. So I'm going to change it again into Chinese for the better view. So it says that if you buy 299 yuan things, then they are going to give you 30 yuan coupon, but obviously I'm not going to buy this, so let's leave this. Then also sometimes you get coupon on this product level. Now again we select something. Next, how to pay it, just click here and it gives you the address. If you want to change your address, you can change your address. Then fill your information if you want any modification or something. Then here you can see that they have the freight option. It means I have to pay 8 yuan for this product, which actually I don't want to pay, so I'm not going to buy this product. Maybe I search any other product and it will not have the sending price. So I go there and go to payment. So they are asking me about my bank of communication card, because I am already in China, so I can pay by card or maybe by other methods. So in China you have options like bank of communication and other bank if you have, and you can also pay by the WeChat and any other China Union Pay method. So I'm not going to pay this because I don't want to buy this, but if you want to buy, then I think you can leave it here and go to your mobile app, then you can pay from there. It don't have Alipay service, but you can pay from the WeChat. So I think this is a bad thing, they don't have Alipay service. So in next video I am going to tell you the more details, like we told before, the details like this, that its warranty, then how to claim warranty, after sales services. I will share my experiences that I have used the after sales services. I also used which options, okay, not actually warranty claim because I never had any problem, but I have used these two services, so I will be sharing my experience with you. I hope it will be useful for you. Okay, bye bye.